Good morning, everybody. Although, is it really? I'm on the way to take my car to the shop because I'm having some major problems. Basically, what's happening is not every time, but like 80% of the time, whenever I apply the brakes, I get this really loud grinding sound, like metal grinding against metal. Which means it's probably my brake pads are needing to be replaced. And that's definitely not a cheap repair. But that's kind of how life is, isn't it? If it's not one thing, it's another. Here, let's see if I can hear it. Nope, didn't do it that time. So I'm taking it in this morning to hopefully get taken care of today, hopefully. Because we're going out of town this weekend and I can't be driving a car whose brakes are about to go. But the real kicker is I have to have the car at the shop at 10. Right now it's 9:40 and I work at 12. And the car's not going to be finished by 12. So I have to walk from the car shop to work. That's not an ideal situation, but what can you do, right? And then while I'm at work, they're supposed to call me and let me know what's going on, and I will walk back down to go pick it up and then drive it back to work so that I can get home tonight. So it's just a fantastic morning all around, but this is something that's very important and I need to get it taken care of because having messed up brakes is a serious problem. Well, here we are. Let's see what the damage is. Well, that was unexpected. I sat there for like 30 minutes and he comes back in and he said that it's nothing to worry about. So I was like, well, it's definitely making sounds. And he was like, oh yeah, I mean, I test drove it and I heard the sound. So apparently they took it into the shop and they inspected the brakes and he said that the brake pads are completely fine, that they're nowhere near being worn down. He said the sound is probably coming from like dirt or road debris that's kind of like lodged up in the rotors or whatever. He said it's nothing dangerous, it's not making it unsafe to drive, it's just kind of an annoying sound. And then he was like, for $100-something, we can take the brakes apart and clean them out if you want, but it's not necessary. And so I passed on that, and he said that another option is to take it to one of those automated car washes that have the pressure washer things that like shoot up from the bottom, and maybe that'll dislodge it out. So I guess that's what I'm gonna do, because I was planning on walking to work and I still have an hour and a half now before I have to go to work. But hey, I mean, it's pretty good news. That's a weight lifted off my shoulder for sure. Alright, let's try this out. Oh. Alright, let's go with the Platinum.
Please wait while your card is being authorized.
Okay.
You have purchased the Platinum wash. You may enter the wash if it is ready. Slowly following the signs, and thank you for choosing Superstar.
You're welcome. Oh my god, that scared me. This is what I'm talking about. Maybe this will clear it out. Maybe? Well, my car could have used a wash anyway. But hopefully that pressure washer there at the beginning will clear out whatever it was. Whoa! Oh, look at the colors. I think this side was out of the pink because there's only a little bit of pink and no pink there. Oh, you know, just a 24-year-old vlogging the inside of a car wash. What'd you do today? That's cool though, it gave me a coating of Rain-X. So you can see how the water just like slides right off. It's pretty cool. Well, it's time to go to the dryer. Need Jeremy to open my window? I'm gonna do it. That was loud. I'm gonna back up because I didn't get everything. It's scary. Feels like an earthquake. All done. Alright, well, so that was a thing that happened. Now I guess we'll see if the brakes make any more noise and if that was actually the problem. So, it's kind of the next day. Basically, after the car wash, I went into work and it was the craziest day of work I think I've ever had in my life. The weirdest stuff happened. And quite frankly, it wore me out. So like, after work I came home, I told myself I was just gonna take a little nap, and I slept through the whole night. So yeah, that happened. And by the way, yes, my car is still making that grinding noise. So, guess I gotta figure something else out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one, which is actually today.